Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually be the real deal instead of people's content and then reposting to get more views on your TikTok account. So now all that you have to do is to actually go to any social media platform, either TikTok, YouTube or Instagram, and then look for videos in your niche. So after finding a certain video that you like, you should go ahead and then copy the link of that video, and then after you are done copying the link of the video from either TikTok itself or YouTube or Instagram, you should go to your browser and then search for if you copy it from Instagram, you should search for Instagram video or Reels downloader. If you take it from TikTok, you should also search something like that. So I've taken my video from TikTok, so I'll be searching for TikTok video download no watermark. So when you search for this, you see a bunch of other sites over here, but I advise you to go for the first one over here, which is the Snaptic website. So when the page is downloading, all that you have to do is to click and then paste your link over here, and then it will render the link and it will give you the video for you to download and then be able to repost on TikTok and then get views without getting any strike on your account. Now you can see that the video has been successfully rendered. Let me go ahead and then download it in an HD format. Now all that you have to do next, if your video is done downloading, is to go ahead and then open your video editor. In this case, I would prefer you to use CapCut video editor, because it is very much easier and then simpler to use than any other video editors out there. So you go ahead and then click on the new project and then select the project, the video that you've downloaded from TikTok. And when the video is done importing, you should then go ahead and then change the aspect ratio of the video to 9:16, which is the TikTok aspect ratio. Even though the video is in the TikTok aspect ratio already, but I advise you to still select the TikTok aspect ratio. Then the next thing you have to do is to type on the video timeline over here, and then scroll to the very side over here, and then go to the volume section and increase it all the way up to 1000. Then you go back again and then go to basic and then scale, and then you scale up the video to 105%, but you can scale it up to any percentage that you want according to the aspect ratio of the video or the way that you want it to be. Now when you're done with that, what you need to do next is then to go back and then split the video each and every 2 seconds or any desirable time frame that you like. So I'll be splitting it each and every 2 seconds or more. So you have to keep splitting the video till the end of the video. Now when you're done splitting the video, you should go ahead and then add an effect. In this case, I'll be using the mix effect on each and every split on the video. When you are done adding the effect to each and every single split of the video, you should then go ahead to the last part of the video and then go to text and then add a text template to the very last end of the video. You can either choose any text template, but here I'll be choosing the like and then the follow text template. So with you doing this type of edit to the video, the algorithm will not be able to detect your video as an unoriginal video that you've downloaded from any source and then just reposted it. It will show the algorithm that you've actually done some editing on this video, and then as this editing is done, it is being recorded in the metadata of this video file. So when you are done with everything, you should then go ahead and then export the video in 1080 pixels, and then the playbacks, you should put it at 60 and then put the code rate at high, and then you export it. But in this case, I will not be exporting it because there will be a lot of ads popping up, so I will not be exporting it now. So that is pretty much it. When you are done exporting it, you then go ahead to TikTok and then post your video, and then wait for about an hour and then check back. If you check back and you haven't gotten any views, you should then go ahead to your TikTok studio and check to see whether if there's an error on the video or there is something that TikTok still detected, and then if you find it, you should go ahead and then delete the video and do another editing again. So that's it for today. I hope you found it helpful, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel and then like the video.